Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Now if you follow my channel at all, you know that about a year ago I stopped grilling on the fire escape. I left that apartment and moved into Manhattan with my fiance, soon to be wife. And the apartment complex where we live really is not very grill friendly. So luckily, she and I were able to pick up a small cottage a few hours drive outside of Manhattan. So we've got a place to escape the city. You know, living in the city can be a little hectic at times. So we've got this nice little place where we can get out on weekends and get some peace and quiet and some fresh air. So I'm back in business once again, but I'm no longer on the fire escape. Now I'm coming at you from this place, and it's our city escape. So I'm going to change the name of the show from the Fire Escape Griller to City Escape Griller. I hope you like the name. I think it's pretty cool. I'll still be making videos using the Weber Q, but since I'm living in the country now, I had to pick up a charcoal grill. I was thinking, do I get a Green Egg? Do I get a Kamado Joe? Which grill did I choose? I went with this one right here. The Weber Kettle Master Touch. It's a Weber kettle with all the bells and whistles. I'll give a full review on this in the coming weeks. I just want to test it out a little bit more. I love this grill, and I'm very excited to be making videos using the Weber kettle. It's nice to be back on charcoal. I'll still be making some videos using the Weber Q, don't worry. I hope you stay subscribed to the channel. Leave a like and comments down below. And of course, keep on grilling.